Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making a super healthy chocolate ice cream without any whipped cream, condensed milk or refined sugar. For the creamy base, I'm using soaked cashew nuts, almonds, foxnut seeds in hot milk. And for sweetness, I'm adding some naturally sweet dates along with the soaked nuts. It is rich, creamy and completely guilt-free, so stay tuned and watch till the end. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Take care and happy cooking.